the Otrifowd Tesla Sunshade. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unbox. In this video, we're going to look at a sunshade by Otrifowd. They make it for the Tesla Model Y and Model Y. This is their newest version, which makes installation a lot easier. So let's take a look. This is how it looks when it comes in. You get the front and rear shades, screwdriver, gloves, hooks, and pry tools. The shades are easy to operate and they retract, front and rear. It has a curtain design with a honeycomb structure made of composite PET material and an inner layer with aluminum. The honeycomb structure is efficient and reduces heat transfer. Assembly and installation is straightforward. Looking at the front, you have the 4 plastic hooks on all the 4 corners, and the rear section of it has a flat plastic piece, and you want to remove one of the screws to tighten it into place. The rear has a flat plastic pieces which you want to screw into place as well, and has a rear plastic hooks.
Okay, so I've got the front and the rear shade installed. It took no longer than 15 minutes. As I mentioned in the unboxing video, there's 2 plastic points in the front that will just slide right on top of the upholstery. Basically, to make it easier, just make sure your visor is down so the shade can get seated easily. And in the rear, you have those 2 flat plastic pieces that will just slide into place. Opening it and closing, you can see here, very smooth operation. And there's that plastic mount point that I mentioned earlier. The upholstery matches very nice with the Tesla interior. You know, it feels solid and looks really good. Just feels well made and sturdy. Okay, so taking a look at the rear shade, again, it's basically like the front. Smooth operation here, and you get good coverage. As far as the mounting point, it has the flat pieces, the 2 flat plastic pieces that will slide into place. Now, looking at the rear portion, to mount it, you have this plastic clip here. One side will attach to the frame, and then the other side will go through the upholstery here. So you have to pull it back a little bit and then just slide that part in there. Now, I don't want to install the rear because I do have my windows tinted, and it seems like a tight fit with the clip, and I don't want to damage my tint. So keep that in mind. But you know, if you don't have tint, I'm sure it will be perfect for those that want to install this. But you know, I'm just a bit weary because I spent a lot on my ceramic tint, and I don't want to scratch it. As far as the rear headroom, you do lose a couple inches when it comes to the headroom, because if you look at the frame, you know, it is flush with this upholstery here, and it goes all the way back. So there's a couple inches that you're gonna lose. So you can see here I'm sitting straight up, and you know, my head is touching it just a little bit, but you know, when you have it open, it's not an issue. So you can see here, very easy to open and close. You can just have it halfway open. You can see the tracks here. And then you can see here in the rear, again, easy to open and close. Now, Otrifowd also sent out this rear organizer for your trunk. They carry a bunch of accessories on their website. Looks like this is made out of a flexible rubber material, and basically it goes in the corner here, just slides right in there, and it has a cover. So let's see here. second. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Now you can securely organize your belongings there. Just remove the lid, and there's a look at the inside. So overall, I think it's a good shade, well built. You know, the fabric matches the interior of the Tesla. You know, easily operated, open, close. It is on the pricier side, but again, you know, if you're struggling with the heat inside your car, you know, I would definitely recommend this if you don't want to fumble around with the other types of shades out there. So that's my review of the Otrifowd sunshade for the Tesla Model 3.
If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.